burst of style and comfort when you go on your morning run in these shoes by Saucony. You'll absolutely adore this lightweight mesh upper that'll give you a ton of breathability with this design, while also having some glittering additions that give you an iridescent appearance. You'll also find some iridescent overlays right by the lace-up closure and by the collar for a bit of extra style and some light reflection. You'll find that lace-up closure does allow you to customize the fit of the shoe, while the collar gives you some extra cushioning. Inside is a super soft and plush footbed that'll give you some all-day comfort, and you'll absolutely adore the form-fitting sock liner that'll give you extra cushion and security all throughout your foot. You'll love that this PWRRUN midsole will give you a ton of lightweight plush cushioning to help with some shock absorption. And you'll find that the outsole has quite a bit of texture and grip to give you all the traction you need. There are also some additions that help with your movement to give you a little bit of extra support. And you can wear these on any run for a nice, comfortable feeling.